National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Shelby County, southeastern Jefferson County, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southwestern Birmingham, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Birmingham, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Bessemer, Homewood, Pelham, Mountain Brook, Trusto, Hueytown, Gardendale, Irondale, Leeds, Moody, Fairfield, Chelsea, Fultondale, Childersburg, Wilsonville, Center Point, and Pleasant Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jefferson, Alabama,